Hey, Kevin here again with Hardscape Training Canada. Today I'm going to show you how to cut around a drain pipe or downspout, and I'm going to take the long measurement just with a simple pencil and mark it on the paver, and then mark out the sides. You can also use just a spare piece of pipe, a small piece of pipe for that, just to get the dimension correct. And from there I'm just going to use my AQMS 362 dustless saw to just trim it back into small chunks back towards that line. And then just gonna pop that off with a hammer quickly so I can get in there with my little saw. And I'm using a battery operated steel saw here, so it's really nice and light for this kind of cutting. And I'm just gonna start to shave into this curvature, slowly taking it back to the line, ideally taking out more of the bottom of the brick as well, so that it's easier to shave the top after if I need to trim it up a little bit more. But basically we're gonna just shave it all the way back to the line, put it in place, see if it fits, and get it to where we need it to be. Until next time.